Welcome! If you want to expand your professional network on LinkedIn, syncing your phone's contacts can make connecting with colleagues and friends much easier. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to allow contacts access for the LinkedIn app on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you manage all your device's applications and permissions. Next, scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps or sometimes App Management, depending on your phone's brand and software version. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now, scroll through the list until you find LinkedIn. Once you spot it, tap on the LinkedIn app to open its settings. Inside the LinkedIn app settings, look for a section called Permissions. This is where you control what the LinkedIn app can access on your phone, like your camera, location, and of course, your contacts. Tap on Permissions, and you'll see a list of all the features LinkedIn can request access to. Find contacts in this list. If it's not already allowed, tap on Contacts, and then select Allow. This gives LinkedIn permission to access your phone's contact list. With contacts access enabled, LinkedIn can help you discover people you know who are already on the platform and invite others to join your network. Remember, LinkedIn will only access your contacts if you give explicit permission, and you're always in control of what information is shared. If you ever change your mind, you can return to these settings at any time and adjust permissions as needed. That's it. You've now successfully allowed contacts access for LinkedIn. This small step can make a big difference in growing your professional community and staying connected with people who matter most in your career. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.